Hey guys, so today we are headed out for a shopping adventure. So it's a new month and I want to go see what the Gap factory has. Like I told y'all, I live near one, so now that I know that I can fit some things in there, I want to see what they brought out for spring so far. So I am taking you guys with me to see what we can fit and then also what pieces they have for the spring season. So let's go. As usual, I'm just in here to look around and see what catches my eye. I never know what to expect inside the Gap factory because they do change around the store like every week or so. I just wanted to see what kind of spring options that they had. And as usual, they only go up to a double XL, but I do feel like many of their pieces are generously cut. So I'm actually looking to see if I can find some cute dresses, maybe even some cute spring tops. So I'm going to continue looking around and I will meet you guys in the fitting room. All right, guys, so I found quite a few pieces. First up is this absolutely gorgeous denim dress. Y'all, this is so stinking cute. So this is a maxi denim dress with a sweetheart neckline, and this is a heavy denim too. So this is perfect for the spring season. I also like that the straps are adjustable, and then in the back of the dress, it has stretch smocking. So it's definitely gonna, stretch if you have more of a broad back. This is absolutely just perfect for spring. Now it hits me all the way down to my ankles. I am 5'8". I really love how this fits. It doesn't have stretch in it, except for the back of the dress. It also has pockets, and I could just see me just styling this so many different ways. A cute little jacket. You can even put something under it, but this is super cute. And the denim dress also has adjustable straps. It has pleating around the waist, so it kind of stretches a little bit at the pleated part of the waist, but this is nice and long and flowy. Definitely check this one out. This is a winner. Okay, so next up is this denim chore jacket. It looks more like a barn jacket to me, but it's called a chore jacket. So as you can see, it has more of a relaxed fit, but it is also boxy. Now, I typically don't like boxy, jackets, but this one is pretty nice. Now, as you can see, it fits, but I just can't button it. Now, this is a denim style jacket, so I would leave it open. I've never buttoned a denim jacket in my life. So the two lapels can touch each other, and that's kind of the measurements I use to determine whether or not I should get a denim jacket. But this one is really cute, and like I said, I do like the relaxed fit on this. I love the pockets. There's pockets in the front, on the bottom, and also on the chest. It does have a dark blue collar, and the sleeves are nice and long. So I am wearing the double XL in this, and I think that this is very cute. Okay, so I was immediately loving the green color on this sweatpant set. So these are a pair of straight leg sweatpants. Now they are definitely a little too small. I would have preferred if they had a 3X, but I am wearing a double XL in these, and it comes with a matching sweatshirt. The color is so good. It just screams spring, and I don't really have a lot of green. So I thought this set was cute. I just wish I could get it in in a larger size. However, it does come in other colors, and the sweatpants do have stretch. Now, I noticed that the sweatshirt was a little bit more it seems shorter, almost like if it's a little crop. Now, in the sweatshirt, I am wearing also a double XL, but this is a great sweatsuit, and that's one of the things I noticed from shopping at Gap Factory. They have some really nice, affordable jogger sets and sweatpant sets. So this one, the color was very nice. All right, so y'all know I love me some pink. Pink is my favorite color. So when I saw this striped poplin shirt, I said I need to try it. So it has an oversized fit, and it also has a curved hem on the side. So I love shirts like this, and the color is so good. Once again, it just screams spring. Now, this particular shirt does come in other colors and stripes, and then it also comes in denim. And I am wearing the double XL in this, and it fits perfect. And that's simply because it is oversized. So I also liked it untucked, but I could also tie this up at the waist and create a cute little outfit with it. So I definitely thought this one was a winner. So I also found this relaxed stripe crew neck sweater. So this is a nice, thick, slightly chunky sweater. I believe this is also 100% cotton. This comes in a bunch of different colors. I have on the blue and yellow, but there is like a light pink and dark pink. There's solid colors. They also have good sweaters here at Gap Factory, so I feel like they're made of good quality. Now, this one I am actually wearing an extra large, but this does go up to a double XL. I just thought this was a really cute sweater. Okay, y'all, so I did find another trench coat. So this one is double-breasted. It belts at the waist. However, it was too small. This one was cut very small. So I could tie it and like get away with it, but I don't need another trench. I told you I'm not buying no coats. However, if someone else who is smaller than me, who can, maybe fit between an extra large and a double XL, I think this is a nice quality and affordable trench coat. So I still have my H&M one, which fits me perfectly. But this one, I just wanted to see how it looked. It does have a good weight to it. It's just a simple trench coat, but I do think the quality on this one is really nice. Then I tried on this boat neck midi dress, which I thought was cute. So this one is black and tan stripe. So it's nice and stretchy and ribbed at the top part. But then you get the bottom of the skirt, which is a bit more lightweight. It almost feels a little linen, but it's not. And it's a really cute dress. It's comfortable. It's simple. It does have pockets. Now, I am wearing a double XL in this, and to me, this fits perfect. This is something that I feel like you can definitely, wear to work and rock it on the weekend. Sometimes you just need like a little throw-on dress, and I definitely did like the black and tan. Now, let me show you the same dress in a different color. Okay, so now I have on the same dress, but just in the tan and white stripe. However, I am wearing this one in an extra large, and I think the black one fits better in the double XL. Now, the extra large fits, don't get me wrong, but I just like the look of the double XL a little better. So this also comes in another color, but this is the tan and stripe. So let me know which color did you like the best and which size do you think looked better on me. Next up, I found this gingham top. So it's supposed to have a relaxed fit, but I feel like it fits me kind of fitted at the top, especially in the arms. Now, the arms are supposed to be short, kind of puff sleeves, but they're actually a little more fitted. I do like the square neckline on this and how it kind of like gives more of a boxy cut. Now, I didn't necessarily really like how it looked on me, but I did think it was a cute top. So this does come in other colors. I think there's also a blue gingham, but I have on the tan one. It also ties at the neck. So it's lightweight, but it's a cute top, especially for spring, but I just don't think I liked how it looked on me. Okay, so now we have a matching set. So this is like a chambray set. So each piece obviously is sold separately. So I really like the top. Now the top is a smocked boat neck top, and it's really comfy. It has a lot of stretch. Then it comes with this matching midi chambray skirt. Now this is like an A-line skirt, and I'm not really a fan of the fit. So I'm trying it on with the skirt pulled up, because the skirt is elastic in the back, but it's fitted more around the waist and then it flares out. However, it just did not, I felt like it wasn't flattering on me. Like I would definitely need my shapewear maybe to help it out. So I wanted to show you what it was like when I pulled it up, and this is how it looks when I pull it down from my waist and the way it's intended to fit. So as you can see, it clings to my midsection, but this is a cute set nonetheless, and it comes in other colors. So there's a light pink and I think there's a floral. The skirt does have pockets and the top is stretchy. It's worth checking out. I just didn't like the skirt part on me, but the top is definitely good. Okay, and then I found this stripe crochet top. So this is a navy stripe with tan. Again, just a simple, cute top, but I love the open knit, the crochet. The texture is really nice. Now, it also comes in other colors. So there's also a light blue base with a white stripe. And I am wearing the double XL, and this, it fits perfectly. It's nice and short sleeve. You can wear something under it or not. This is something I think is worth checking out, especially if you don't have a lot of spring tops. This one is very nice, and it's also very comfortable as well. It's a really good crochet. Now, I also tried on this floral printed puff sleeve midi dress. Now, this one was definitely, it was too small in the midsection, but I'm quite sure if I had put on like maybe some smoothing shapewear or something, it could help kind of, keep the dress from like clinging to my midsection. I do like the top of the dress, the puff sleeves, that sweetheart neckline with the drawstring at the bust. I think that is really cute. I'm not really a fan of this type of floral, this kind of like ditzy floral. Again, I was just trying to pick up what I saw in a double XL, so that's kind of why I picked it up. Now, this also comes in denim. So there's a solid denim color to this. However, I did try it, but it has no stretch and I could barely get it on. But I did want to just show you the style of this dress. I do think this is kind of cute because it is kind of like a straight up and down dress, and the top part looks really nice. It's just not for me. Okay, I found another jogger set. So this is the Gap Fleece Performance hoodie and jogger pants. So it's clearly sold separately, but it is a matching set. Now, this one is actually, I think, unisex. So this can be for men and women. Now, I love the hoodie. The hoodie is nice and long. I love that color contrasting with the kind of like oatmeal color and the black. It kind of gives Nike Tech a little bit. This feels nice and thick, good quality. Unfortunately, the pants for me, in my opinion, were too small. They are very fitted, straight leg. I mean, I could get away with it, and probably after a wear or two, it will begin to stretch out. But I would have preferred a 3X in the pants, but I am wearing a double XL in both the hoodie and the pants. But the hoodie is perfect. And it also comes in other colors, but they only had the tan one, this one in the store in my size. Now, I think I saw like a blush pink, but again, this was the only one that was in my size. I think this is a really nice jogger set for the spring season. It's comfortable. It's nice and thick. The quality is definitely there, and it's affordable. So then I tried on this striped crew neck t-shirt. So Gap Factory and just Gap in general always has good t-shirts. This one is nice and stretchy. It's 100% cotton and it fits comfortable. So I am wearing a double XL in this. It comes in a ton of other colors, different variations. So it also comes in solids, but then there's other multicolored stripe variations. So this one I thought fit really good in the double XL. And again, it's a very just comfortable t-shirt to throw on. I also found this smocked flutter sleeve maxi dress. It's in a navy color. Now, you guys know I do not like navy, so I don't even know why I picked this up to try on. But I think I was just grabbing anything in a double XL to see how it fits. So this for me, it's definitely not an Elisa dress. However, I think it could be cute for somebody else. To me, it gave a little House on the Prairie, if y'all remember that show. But I like the idea of the dress. So I like the flutter sleeves. I like the smock waist. It does have stretch. And I like that it ties at the neck. That is about it. I do think this particular navy is just a little too dark for me. Nonetheless, the silhouette of the dress and everything is nice. It's just not for me. And then I tried on this relaxed Dolman sleeve sleeve top. It kind of has like a cap cut as well. So this one is slightly oversized. As you can see, it's a little bit boxy in the midsection. I'm trying it on in this light brown. So this is like a very kind of light, almost sheer type of top. You would think it's linen, but it's not. It's like a cotton rayon blend. This comes in other colors, but I thought this would look cute tucked in because you kind of get that relaxed fit. So I thought this would be nice with jeans or maybe like a little mini skirt or something. Again, it's just a basic, cute little top. All right, y'all, so I am back and I was pleasantly surprised at how many cute pieces I found and fit. First of all, that denim maxi dress, that was really good. That was like my favorite piece that I tried on. So as always, everything I tried on will be linked down in the description box for you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Also, don't forget to hit this video with a thumbs up and share it. And if you've already watched more than 2 or 3 of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, along with the notification bell, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. For more plus size style, fashion, and beauty, make sure you check out the blog, stylishcurves.com. As always, I enjoyed hanging out with you, and I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.